Welcome to accounting process in manually or manual bookkeeping section. Up to now we have studied the theoretical part about what's the accounting and what are the accounting process. Now we are going to study and now we are going to do the practical example how to do the accounting and accounting process in manually or manual bookkeeping. Right. So the first I'm going to be read the example. The information they provided for us, the first information is Nimala started the new business under the name Nimala Co Private Limited on 1st April 2019. The below transaction occurred during the accounting period. April 1st, Nimala started new business with a case of 400,000 and May 1st, she opened an account in the ICICI Bank 200,000. June 1st, purchased good on credit from Subhan 40,000. The invoice number 2021. July 1st, paid to the Subhan full settlement 40,000. And August 1st, land purchase 60,000. September 1st, good sold to Swati 95,000, reference number 2045. October 1st, salary paid 3,500. November 1st, rent received 5,500. And January 1st, good purchase from Safa 4,500. The request is record the journal. The second one is create the ledger, and third one is prepare the trial balance and prepare the balance sheet and income statement. As we study in the theoretical section, if you look at that accounting process, I'm going to be show you this is the accounting process. The first is the source of document, right? So they give the transaction details based on the source of document, so we don't need to be worried about the source of document because they given for us the transaction details based on the source of document. The second we have to do that journal records. You know that they requested for us journal records. The first requirement we have to be first request we have to do the record the journal. The second third process for the accounting process is ledger. So you can see that the second request that they ask create the ledger, and third prepare the trial balance, and the fourth one is prepare the balance sheet and income statement. It means that they given only the transaction we have to be generate, and we have to be we have to record the journal. After that we have to create the ledger. After that we have to be get the trial balance. After that we have to be get the financial statement. It means a balance sheet and income statement. So now we are going to be do the example. Before going to be do the example, I'm going to be show you the template of each process. You know that if you want to be record the journal, this is a sample for the journal record. The first we have to enter the company's name and then record journal, the date, particulars. Under the particulars we have to be put the details and debit and credit, right? The ledger I have created the sample ledger. We are going to be enter the accounts here, right? Accounts here, and this is the sample ledger. This is the account name we have to be right here, and this is the debit side, this is the credit side, right? The next one is based on the ledger we can create the trial balance. So trial balance sample you can see here, we have to put the name of the company and the trial balance, and then details, serial number, particular, debit and credit, right? Then balance sheet is this is the balance sheet, the sample balance sheet I'm going to be I'm going to be prepared based on the transaction. So this is I'm going to be here, I need to be write the name of the company and balance sheet is on 31st/3/2020. You can see that the start of the company 1st April 2019. So end of the company is 31st/3/2020. Why? Because the normally accounting period is 1 year. So if it is start the company 1st April 2019, it should be the 31st 3 2020 is the end of the year. So accounting period is 1/4/2019 to 31st 3 2020. So that's what I am going to I enter that the balance sheet is on 31st 3 2020. It means that end of the date, right? End of the year, end of the date. And the next one is income statement. We have to be write the income statement. We have to be generate the income statement. So first we have to be enter the company's name, and then you can see that income statement for the year 2019 to 2020. Then revenue and expenses, net profit, we have to be find out, right? So, and also I am going to be tell you the very important thing is that income statement, we can income statement only the revenue and expenses come, and balance sheet the assets, capital and liability it's come, right? So we will discuss in the later these kind of things. So the first I am going to be put the name of the company, all the books record. So the first journal record I am going to be put the name Nimala Co Private Limited, right? Okay. So as well as the ledger, no need. Trial balance we have to be put that Nimala Co Private Limited, right? Then a balance sheet also I need to be write the name of the company, Nimala Co Private Limited, right? The next one is income statement. I'm going to be write the name Nimala Co Private Limited, right? Okay. So now I'm going to be start the work.